vocabulary synonyms. Now, the BEC Vantage is more a vocabulary-based exam than a grammar-based exam. If you are doing a Cambridge exam on the first certificate, advanced or proficiency papers, here you find these exams are more grammar-based. However, the BEC exams, Vantage and higher, are definitely more vocab-based. So the more vocabulary you learn, the easier the exam is going to be for all 5 parts. Especially parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. Part 5 in the BEC Vantage is more grammar-based. So an important skill to pass this part of the exam is to build your vocab up as much as possible. We'll be looking at ways of this later on the course towards the end. But for now, for part 1, one important skill is knowing your synonyms. If you know your synonyms, then part 1 will be a lot easier to pass. So an example of learning synonyms is, for example, in the exam, in the statements 1 to 7, one of the statements says, what is the target of the meeting? So example of synonyms here is target, and good synonyms for target in my head are, at this time of doing the exam, are goals, aims, objectives. Okay, these are good synonyms for target. If I look at the second part of the statement, we have the word meeting, meetings. I'm thinking of synonyms for meetings. In my head, I think of the words discussions, gatherings, seminars. So once I've identified these words and thought of synonyms, I then scan the text, and in one of the texts I see the sentence, the aim of the discussion is. Immediately I know this is the answer because aim is a synonym for target and discussion is a synonym for meeting. Now, to help you with that, I've put a lot of downloads up for you, either in Word documents or PDFs. So you'll see lists of synonyms on Quizlet, on our account on Quizlet, which I'll show you later. I've got loads of flashcards on synonyms that you can learn, and exercises, websites as well available as downloads you can get at the end of this section. So all of this vocab will help you. If you learn your synonyms, you're going to pass this part of the exam easily.